Mera Machinery Generator Set, with many years of senior experience and excellent technical strength, is committed to producing various types of generator sets to meet the needs of different fields. We have advanced production equipment and exquisite production technology, can provide high-quality gasoline generator set, diesel generator set. These generator sets are made of high-quality materials and undergo strict quality control to ensure stable performance and long life. Mera Machinery Generator Set model is rich. Power range is wide. Small to household electricity, 5000瓦、10千瓦 generator sets. Large to commercial, 100千瓦、200千瓦、500千瓦 industrial electricity, 1000千瓦、2000千瓦、3000千瓦 generator sets. The working principle of the generator set above, 100千瓦 and 200 kW, is that the power generated by the diesel engine is transmitted to the generator through the transmission system, and the generator converts the power into electrical energy. This type of generator set usually has high efficiency and reliability, and can meet the power needs of large enterprises. When choosing a large generator set, it is necessary to consider factors such as power demand, use environment, and noise level. At the same time, in order to ensure the normal operation of the generator set, regular maintenance and maintenance are required. In short, the large generator set is an efficient and reliable power generation equipment, suitable for a variety of large enterprises and units and other occasions of power supply. Enough to meet the power needs of large-scale commercial and industrial sites. It uses a diesel engine with high efficiency and environmental performance. We can provide you with the right solution. These large generator sets are designed to meet the electricity needs of some special areas, such as hospitals, factories, mines, and so on. We not only provide standalone, but also provide parallel and grid-connected solutions to meet large-scale power needs. In addition, our products are not only widely recognized in the domestic market, but also exported to countries all over the world. We have established agents and after-sales service points in many countries and regions around the world to ensure timely and efficient service for our customers. No matter which country you are in, as long as you choose Mera Machinery Generator Set, you can enjoy world-class quality and service. In addition to conventional generator sets, we also have customized service capabilities. According to the actual needs of customers and site conditions, we can tailor the appropriate generator set for them. Whether it has special voltage requirements, special emission requirements, or special installation methods, we can meet your needs. Our professional R&D team and engineer team will serve you wholeheartedly to help you solve various technical problems. We also provide customized engine services for international brands, including Yuchai engine, Wei'ai engine, Doosan Daewoo engine, Volvo engine, Perkins engine, Cummins engine, etc. These internationally renowned brands of engines have gone through strict quality control and performance testing to ensure the stability and reliability of the generator set. At the same time, we also provide generator world brand customization services, including Stanford generator, Marathon generator, Lille Senma generator, domestic brand Deco generator set, and In generator set. These world-renowned brands of generators have excellent performance and quality to ensure the stability and reliability of the power supply station. In addition, there is no silent requirements can be customized ordinary unsilent models. We also provide generator set silent model customization services. According to the needs of customers and the site environment, we can customize suitable silent generator sets for them. These units use advanced noise reduction technologies and materials to reduce noise and vibration during operation and are suitable for environments that require quiet operation, such as hospitals, residential areas, conference centers, etc. We are able to provide silent generator sets with power ranges from tens of kilowatts to thousands of kilowatts to meet the needs of different customers. Our products include stationary and mobile power supply stations to meet the needs of different customers. Fixed power supply station is suitable for long-term stable operation of the environment, such as hospitals, factories, etc. The mobile power supply station is suitable for situations that require flexible movement, such as construction sites, rescue and disaster relief. In short, Meran Mechanical Generator Set is your trustworthy choice. Our products have excellent quality, stable performance and thoughtful service to provide strong support for your career development. Choose Meran Machinery. Let us create a better future together.